Hello Tomodachi! Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, andito tayo ngayon sa Ginza. Maraming stores dito na makikita at mga branded stores. And first time namin ni Freya dito sa Ginza. Kaya mag-e-explore tayo hanggang mamayang gabi. So, kanina galing na kami sa Onitsuka Pop-Up Store. So, nakabili na ako sapatos. So, ilalink ko na lang yung vlog ko dito for Onitsuka Tiger. Ayan. So, tara! Ikimasyo ko! To go to Ginza, pwede kang sumakay sa Ginza Line ng Tokyo Metro at bumaba sa Ginza Station. Kung galing ka naman sa Hibiya Line, pwede kang bumaba sa Hibiya Station o Nakameguro Station. Tapos konting lakad na lang. Pwede ring sumakay sa Marunouchi Line at bumaba sa Ginza Station. Madali at mabilis nang makapunta dito. As mentioned, this is our first time visiting and this is because of the pop-up shop ng Onitsuka Tiger located here in Ginza. This is the shop where I bought my shoes. They actually have another Onitsuka Tiger shop dito sa Ginza and other locations like Shibuya or Omotesando. Sila yun? Kasi kaya lang na tayo pupunta sa Nike store. So si Freya kasi pinipilit ko siyang bumili ng sapatos sa Onitsuka Tiger. Kaso ayaw niya. Hindi niya bet yung mga sapatos ng Onitsuka. So Nike talaga ang gusto niya. So check natin sana yung makita si Freya. Kasi mukhang bibigyan na yung Stan Smith ni Freya. Tagal na to eh. 5 years na ata yung Stan Smith niya. So ito na kami. Ganda daw. Nike store. Welcome to Nike Ginza. Dito tayo papasok guys. Nandito na kami ngayon sa loob ng Nike store sa Ginza. And 3 floors siya. So sa first floor andun yung mga basic running shoes, yung mga damit nila. Then sa third floor there is the Jordans. So dito sa gitna is yung mga running shoes din and yung mga pambabaeng sapatos nila. Kaya nagtitingin-tingin na siya. We have been to Nike outlet stores dito sa Tokyo. However, okay din magpunta sa mga standard Nike store since they carry latest collections of Nike shoes. So if you have a preferred Nike shoe model na bagong release, this is your go-to shop. However, if you want discounted or older models at a lower price, you can visit their outlet stores. I have a vlog for that and I will link it here. After visiting Nike, we also checked out Atmos, which is just around the corner. Maraming shoes available from different brands. So if you love collecting shoes, Ginza is a must visit since they have a lot of shoes stores here. Ang Ginza ay located in the heart of Tokyo. Kilala siya sa mga high-end stores, luxury boutiques, at modern architecture. Kung mahilig ka sa shopping, food, o just looking around, definitely maraming pwedeng gawin dito. Unlike Shibuya na medyo casual and youthful, or Asakusa na full of tradition, Ginza offers a high-end cosmopolitan feel. Here, you'll find flagship stores of famous global brands, luxurious department stores, and world-class dining options. Kaya kung gusto mong mamili ng branded items like Gucci or Chanel, perfect ang Ginza for that. And even just window shopping, di ba? Pero ang best part is, kahit na high-end ang mga stores, ang vibe ng Ginza is still very welcoming. Lots of branded stores every corner. Muji has a store here as well, and the cool thing is they have their own bakery. Bread looks delicious. We will try that next time we visit Ginza. We also discovered na meron ditong OK Supermarket. This is like a grocery store where you can get a membership card so you can shop and get the discounted price of the items. Very affordable dito and we highly recommend. So even dito sa Ginza, not all food or items ay mahal. Kaya you can shop or dine here on a budget like us. What we love about Ginza is the architecture, like this Uniqlo flagship building na may 12 floors. Everything just looks amazing. Sa gabi, talagang buhay na buhay ang Ginza. Unlike other districts like Shinjuku na medyo busy at medyo chaotic, Ginza feels more refined with all the soft lights, elegant display, and relaxed ambience. Perfect para maglakad-lakad after a full day of shopping. So yun guys, nag-claim ko na yung sapatos ko. Dito na kami sa labas ng Onitsuka Tiger, past 6 PM na. So claim na nung mga pina-embroider na mga sapatos. Okay. After claiming my shoes, now off to dinner at Saizeriya, which is an Italian-Japanese restaurant. We love dining here guys kasi super affordable and the food are delicious. We love this type of chain restaurant because of their drink bar. So guys, sa building na to, sa second floor is puro family restaurant kagaya ng Saizeriya, which is yung kakainan namin. Meron dito Cafe Gusto, meron pa doon ibang mga sushi na mga kainan. So pwede niyo explore ito dito guys kung gusto niyo kumain ng iba't ibang restaurant. So that's it for my Ginza vlog guys, and thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel para updated kayo sa mga future travel vlogs ko dito sa Japan. Mata ne!